Python multiprocessing. Some functions do not return when they are complete. Q material too big. I am using multiprocessing's process and queue. I start several functions in parallel and most behave nicely. They finish, their output goes to their queue, and they show up as .is_live == false. But for some reason a couple of functions are not behaving. They always show .is_live == true, even after the last line in the function, a print statement saying finished is complete. This happens regardless of the set of functions I launch, even if there's only one. If not run in parallel, the functions behave fine and return normally. What kind of thing might be the problem? Here's the generic function I'm using to manage the jobs. All I'm not showing is the functions I'm passing to it. They are long, often use matplotlib, sometimes launch some shell commands, but I cannot figure out what the failing ones have in common.
Alright, it seems that the pipe used to fill the queue gets plugged when the output of a function is too big. My crude understanding? This is an unresolved/closed bug. This URL. I have modified the code in my question so that there is some buffering. Queues are regularly empty while processes are running, which solves all my problems. So now this takes a collection of tasks, functions and their arguments, launches them, and collects the outputs. I wish it were simpler/cleaner looking. Edit 2014 SEP. Update 2017 NOV. Rewritten for readability. I'm updating the code with the enhancements I've made since. The new code, same function, but better features is here. This URL. The calling description is also below.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.